UMIDIGI released a dashing smartwatch called Uwatch 2S that combines style and functionality. And is surprisingly good for its price. Hey guys, Adam here and you're watching Family Pop TV YouTube channel. Uwatch 2S. Stick around if you get this one, and if you're planning to buy the Uwatch 2S, there's an Amazon link in the video description. If you got any question regarding UMIDIGI Uwatch 2S, please leave them in the comments area and I'm gonna try to answer them. First impression after unpack. It feels good on the wrist and I'm pretty impressed with the quality. It's got a nice circular watch face which looks very premium with a nice finish on the side and on the bottom. The body is made from zinc alloy and it's completely weatherproof, splashproof and dustproof, and it's got IP67 certificate. With a solid body and a sturdy build quality, the Uwatch 2S smartwatch also comes in a variety of colors including space grey, icy white, ocean green, rose gold and titanium grey. The wrist strap has a smooth texture so that it fits and rests comfortably on the wrist without irritation. It can be replaced for any wrist strap, but it's up to personal preference. We got here sensors at the bottom and the magnetic charge pins for the charging port, and it comes with a dedicated charging USB cable with the magnetic pins on one end and the standard USB at the other end. The display underneath is a square 1.3-inch LCD TFT display. There's no buttons on the side. Flipping through the functions and features are controllable with a touch-sensitive circle at the bottom of the watch face. The display screen underneath is square, which gives the impression of the extra space at the corners, as you can see. I'm okay with it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. The screen is shatterproof, so you can be sure that the watch remains intact even when it falls on any hard surface or due to rough handling. What I like in all UMIDIGI watches, which isn't mentioned in the Uwatch 2S description, that it's got an anti-scratch glass which is also fingerprint resistant, and I like it. Brightness of the screen is, I would say, sufficient. However, the UMIDIGI smartwatch would benefit if there would be a bit higher brightness level. In comparison, for example, with the Apple Watch screen, this screen is a bit darker. The brightness can be adjusted in the settings, and this is a maximum level now. Obviously, it's not an issue unless you're looking at it in the sunlight. However, the screen is very responsive and I like it. What I like the most is that UMIDIGI Uwatch 2S offers a high degree of customization, so you could elevate your style and the aesthetics of your watch. And Uwatch 2S offers 3 built-in standard watch faces, plus one customizable watch face, where you can use any picture or photo of your choice as a watch face. I really like this feature. If that's not enough for you, then you can pick and download from nearly 1000 available watch faces. However, the wait time is a little bit long. Uwatch 2S is compatible with most smartphones with Bluetooth 4.0 or higher. That means all the phones with iOS 8.0 or higher and all smartphones with Android 4.4 or higher are suitable to use with Uwatch 2S. I'd like to mention that this watch using a dedicated app called DaFit, which is compatible with both Android and iOS for iPhone. It does detect when you sleep and when you wake up, so it will catch your full sleeping pattern. However, Uwatch 2S hasn't got an automatic exercise detection, so before exercising you'll have to switch the exercise tracker manually. The Uwatch 2S has got a pretty big list of features. You can track several exercises as it has 14 sport modes, which is walking, running, cycling, badminton, basketball, football, treadmill, weight exercise, climbing, tennis, yoga, dancing, skipping, and hula training. Uwatch 2S sports watch can count your steps, your calories burned, your kilometers or miles traveled, and your heart rate, which could be measured 24/7. It also records all your workout statistics on the DaFit app, which can offer you a complete guide during training to help you crush your fitness goals. It also using a GPS tracking from your mobile, so you can track and record your running paths in the real time. Your daily sports target can be set via the app. For example, the amount of steps, sleep target, your weight target, the calories burned target, and the travel distance target. Not only is the Uwatch 2S suitable for men, but it also adds an exclusive feature for women who want to keep track of their menstrual cycle. All you need to do is enter and set your menstrual details in the app on this device, and the smartwatch takes care of the rest by notifying you about your next menstrual cycle beforehand. Obviously, if you're a man, you could always switch that feature off. In Uwatch 2S, every time you receive a notification like a call, SMS or text message, an app message, or any social network message like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc., it vibrates to alert you to avoid missing any important news. The notification for incoming calls are supported. You are able to reject the incoming call. Unfortunately, you can't make a phone call through the watch. In addition, it offers a sedentary reminder, alarm clock, stopwatch, find phone function, weather forecast, and also a non-disturb mode, which mutes all the calls and alerts notifications and basically any notification on your smartwatch. It supports the camera sync, so you could shoot a photo remotely, and also supports the music player that's controllable through the watch. Battery life. You should have about 10 to 11 days of battery life between the charges, assuming you'll use the watch heavily every day. Obviously, it depends on how much you use the screen. Just for the information, the full charge takes around 1.5 hours. Let me know, guys, what you think in the comments area below. With so many similar devices currently available on the market, what differs UMIDIGI Uwatch 2S is the high level of customization and a very attractive low price, as you could have it for around $30 American or 25 British pounds. That's definitely something which helps this product to stand out. If you're picking this up, there's an Amazon link in the video description below, and if you got any question regarding Uwatch 2S, please leave them in the comments area and I'm gonna try to answer them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to Family Pop TV YouTube channel for more tech reviews like this one. And if you're not sure which smartwatch would be suitable for you, please check our pick on the best affordable smartwatches out there. See you guys later. Adam from Family Pop TV.